A study on GSM mobile phone network used in real-life application presented by D. Renuga, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Sri Adichinjana Women's College, Kambam. Introduction. The Global System for Mobile Communication is a standard developed by the European Telecommunication Standard Institute to describe the protocols for second generation digital cellular networks used by mobile devices such as mobile phones and tablets. GSM is also a trademark owned by the GSM Association. It was first implemented in Finland in December 1991. It became a standard for mobile communications, achieving over 90% market share and operating in over 193 countries and territories. 2G networks developed as a replacement for first generation analog cellular networks. Definition. The global system for mobile communication is a digital mobile network that is widely used by mobile phone users in Europe and other parts of the world, which stands for GSM regions as the world's most widely used cell phone technology. Cell phone service carriers GSM network by searching for cell phone towers in the nearly. Characteristics of GSM. GSM makes use of narrow band time device division multiple access technique for transmitting signals. GSM was developed using digital technology. It has an ability to carry 6 kbps to 120 Mbps of data rates. Presently, GSM supports more than 1 billion mobile subscribers in more than 210 countries throughout the world. GSM architectures. BSS stands for Base Station Subsystem. Base Station Subsystem handles traffic and signal between a mobile phone and the network switching subsystem. BSS having two components, BTS and BSC. NSS stands for Network and Switching Subsystem. NSS is the core network of GSM that carried out call and mobility management functions for mobile phone present in network. NSS have different components like VLR, HLR and EIR. OSS stands for Operating Subsystem. It is a functional entity which the network operator monitor and control the system. OMC is the part of OSS. Purpose of OSS is to offer the customer cost-effective support for all GSM related maintenance services. GPRS core network, the optional part which allows packet-based internet connection. This is a global system for mobile network model. Features of GSM: supports international roaming, clear voice clarity, ability to support multiple handheld devices, spectral or frequency efficiency, low powered handheld devices, ease of accessing network, international ISDN compatibility. Communication network. In an organization, members contact each other and the pattern of contacts or flow of information is the communication network. Contacts are created with different patterns and this supports the management to contact the employees through the network. The resources can share their data and applications, organization size and nature of the communication network. Types of communication network: vertical network, chain network, circuit network, wheel or spoke network, star network. Vertical network, the communication which passes from one person or process to another person or process in a vertical pattern is called vertical network. It can happen either in the top to bottom or bottom to top format. This communication provides an immediate response as the receiver receives the information faster than any other network. Chain network, this network is a hierarchical level and flows a series of commands. Here bottom to top communication does not happen. Superiors ordering the subordinates is the best example of this type of network. Also the leader leading the group of people is an example of chain network. Circuit network, when the communication between two people happens simultaneously in a circuit is called a circuit network. This communication is a two-way communication. Wheel or spoke network, this network is an improved form of chain network. Since the information is received directly from the central authority, there is no chance of miscommunication and the communication is very powerful. Star shapes mostly use this type of network. Star network, this network enables people to communicate with each other or with people who are involved in the same process. This network can be considered as the development of a wheel network with no central person to control the way of communication. A WhatsApp group which is related to work is a good example of star network. Four-color problem. The four-color conjecture states that maps on the surface of a sphere can be colored with only four colors so that no two adjacent countries have the same color. Each country must consist of single connected region. Adjacent countries are those having a boundary line, not merely a single point in common. The problem of deciding whether the four conjectures is true or false is called four-color problem. Map coloring and GSM mobile phone networks. Given a map drawn on the plane or a surface of a sphere, the famous four-color theorem asserts that it is always impossible to properly color the regions of the map such that no two adjacent regions are assigned the same color. Using at most four distinct colors for any given map, we can construct its dual graph as follows. Put a vertex inside each region of the map and connect two distinct vertices by an edge if and only if their respective regions share a whole segment of their boundaries in common. Then a proper vertex coloring of a dual graph yields a proper coloring of the regions of the original map. Dual color of the map of India model. Four-color problem. GSM mobile phone networks and its applications. The cells of a GSM mobile phone network. Benefits of GSM. The global system for mobile communication or GSM is the standard by which is majority of mobile phones operate across the globe. As of 2010, there are over 3 billion people in 212 countries operating on the GSM standard. Understanding the performance benefits of GSM helps to understand why over 80% of mobile phones across the world operates on the GSM. For practical and everyday purposes, GSM offers users wider international roaming capabilities than other US network technologies and can enable a cell phone to be a world phone. More advanced GSM incorporates the earlier TDMA stand. GSM carriers have roaming contracts with other GSM carriers are typically contracts with other GSM carriers and typically cover rural areas more completely than CDMA carries. GSM also advantage of using SIM cards in the US. The SIM card, which acts as your digital identity, is tied to your cell phone service carrier's network rather than to the handset itself. This allows for easy exchange from one phone to another without a new cell phone service activation. GSM uses digital technology and is a second generation 2G cell phone system. Designing one-way traffic system. Advantages: traffic noise and air no effect. Increase safety by reducing the number and severity of crashes by eliminating head-on crashes and reducing some types of intersection conflicts. Traffic safety possible decrease in pedestrian crashes. Separate pedestrian and vehicles, which very effective at reducing pedestrian or vehicle conflicts. Conclusion. In this paper we have studied about the computer network security in graphs in a similar way. We can study another parameters equivalently. Using these concepts we can define new parameters like GSM mobile phone networks, architectures, communication network and focal problem. Hence one-way traffic system and its applications results are produced. Likewise other networks may be find out for using the concept. Thank you.